Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Corel Draw X5. Let's begin by exploring the fundamental parts of the interface. On the left, you'll find the versatile toolbox, housing all your creative instruments. Above your workspace, the property bar intelligently adapts, displaying options relevant to your currently active tool. To interact with any element, simply use the Pick tool to select, reposition, or resize objects with ease. Understanding these basics is your first step to creating amazing designs. Now, let's dive into creating shapes and lines. Corel Draw X5 offers tools for drawing perfect rectangles, circles, and various polygons. You can also sketch freehand lines or construct precise curves using the Bezier tool. Once drawn, the powerful Shape tool lets you manipulate individual nodes, giving you fine control over your object's form. Remember, you can easily change outline thickness and fill colors from the property bar to customize your creations. Next, we'll explore working with text and adding dynamic effects. Corel Draw X5 supports two types: artistic text for short, impactful phrases and paragraph text for longer content. You can easily choose fonts, adjust sizes, and set alignments. To make your text truly stand out, experiment with interactive effects such as contouring or extruding. You can even make text follow a custom path or convert it into editable curves for unique design possibilities, adding a professional touch to your work. Finally, let's talk about organizing your work and preparing it for sharing. You can group several objects to move and modify them as one, simplifying complex designs. Easily adjust the layering of objects to control what appears in front or behind. When your design is complete, Corel Draw X5 allows you to export it into many common formats, such as JPEG for web or PDF for print. The Export Docker provides a streamlined way to manage and output multiple assets quickly and effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.